What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got this package heat pump unit. We just finished installing it, and I'm going to show you what this used to look like. But look at this, right? Over here is a big addition that was done, and it's pretty big. It's about, I think, 300 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. We're pretty close to it. But we ended up running this spiral ductwork all the way to it, and that's just a big vent. It's like an elbow in a vent. It's a weird setup, but that's how it was done. And this was not my preferred or recommended method, but this was an option for cost purposes that the customer rather do. So there we got the new elbow. It's actually new jack, new elbow, new cut in, everything. New ductwork, or sorry, yeah, two new flex runs. One goes into a trunk, right? And the other one goes into the return. And then of course your new supply all the way down there. New drain line. And this, you may ask yourself, it's not sealed, and that's okay, because I called the roofer and he's going to spray foam all of that, so don't worry about that. That's why you will see that it is not sealed. You know, we tar there at the bottom. We do a solid job of tarring. I had a roofer one time show me how to do a new cut-in, install a new jack properly. I would say that most people before that I seen do that were not doing it correctly. They just get in there with a sawzall with a long blade and start cutting underneath, and you know, leaks galore. So I bought this roofer some lunch, and he showed me how to do it. So that's, you know, we rarely ever have any leaks when we do it a specific way that I learned how, that he taught me. But what I want you to see is this ductwork. What do you think about this? Because I know we've all seen this, right? Do you guys think it looks clean? Let me know. Again, this would not have been my preferred method, but sometimes we got to do what the customer can afford, right? Or what the customer wants to spend would be probably the correct wording. Let me show you. This is the before, or this is the after, and I'm about to show you the before. Okay. So we have, you know, jack here. This looks like this is one big room of some sort. We may be able to, and that really just comes all the way down this way. It looks super ghetto. So, you know, my recommendation is we can this unit, redo all this mess, get rid of all this ductwork, and then we can drop a new unit in there with its own elbow coming down into that space, and you know, we run power to it. And the benefit to that is he's going to be able to control with two thermostats, you know, the two different sides of the house, and you know, probably save some money on utilities, for sure. Save some money on utilities, and for sure. So there it is. What do you guys think? Is it better? I think so, big time, honestly. Let me know what y'all think. So again, I don't do the, you know, I wish I could come back after the foam guy comes in and sprays all this in, and you see that it all looks nice and white and insulated and everything, waterproofed, airtight. But the reality is that after the installation, you know, we have a technician that services the new units after we install them. So it's rarely me that comes back to service the new systems. We let more of an entry-level technician do that. Okay, so that's it, y'all. I just wanted to show you guys what's up, what the moves are out here. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.